Every day, organizations experience suspicious network activity. Slow systems, unexplained data transfers, unauthorized logins, and hidden attacks moving quietly across their networks. The real challenge isn't just that attacks happen, but that many security professionals don't know how to trace what happened, where it started, and how to prove it. Firewalls raise alerts. Logs pile up. Packets fly across the network. But without the right skills, all that data becomes noise instead of answers. This is where many cybersecurity beginners and even professionals get stuck. Welcome to iTeachCybersecurity Academy, where we make cybersecurity simple, useful, and practical for everyone. This course is Network Forensics Fundamentals, and it is designed to teach you how to investigate, analyze, and understand network-based incidents in a clear, structured, and beginner-friendly way. This course takes you beyond alerts and tools. It shows you how to think like a network forensic analyst, how to follow the evidence, reconstruct events, and explain what really happened on a network. This course is perfect for beginners, students, and early career professionals who want to build a strong foundation in cybersecurity. It's also ideal for IT support staff, network administrators, SOC analysts, and anyone curious about how cyber incidents are investigated at the network level. You do not need advanced experience to succeed here. If you understand basic networking concepts and want to learn how attacks are detected, analyzed, and proven using network data, this course is built for you. Network forensics sits at the intersection of networking, security monitoring, incident response, and digital forensics. It is the discipline that answers questions like, what happened on the network? When did the attack occur? How did the attacker move? What evidence supports these conclusions? In modern cybersecurity, detecting an attack is only the beginning. Being able to investigate it, document it, and explain it clearly is what turns detection into real security. In this course, you will move step by step through 4 carefully structured modules. You will start by understanding the fundamentals of network forensics, what it is, why it matters, and how investigations are structured. You'll then learn how network traffic, logs, and protocols become forensic evidence. Next, you'll explore forensic analysis techniques and tools, learning how different tools fit into each phase of an investigation and how analysts extract meaning from network data. Finally, you'll dive into legal, ethical, and practical considerations, including proper evidence handling, reporting, privacy concerns, and how forensic findings are presented to management or legal authorities. Throughout the course, concepts are explained using clear language, relatable examples, visual explanations, and real-world scenarios, not theory overload or tool confusion. By the end of this course, you won't just know what network forensics is. You'll understand how investigations actually work, how evidence is handled responsibly, and how forensic thinking fits into the broader cybersecurity landscape. You'll gain confidence in reading network data, understanding attacker behavior, and communicating findings in a professional and ethical way. Now that you understand what this course offers and why network forensics matters, it's time to begin your journey. In Module 1, we will lay the foundation by introducing the core concepts of network forensics, the investigation process, and how network evidence is identified and preserved. Let's get started with Module 1, Introduction to Network Forensics, and begin learning how to turn network traffic into answers.